money.
Keep playing the blues, Chumley.
Thanks, boss.
You gotta come up with $1,500 or you won't be here for a while.
Did you mash your fingers? You did, huh?
That's pretty damn cool. The suit from the video game Halo. You did a really good job. Badass.
Noah.
Chicks really dig this stuff too. I mean, check this out.
Sweet, these look nice, guys. Where's the fourth one? I sold it to him. You sold the other poster? Yeah, dude. I want to sell them. I want to buy them myself. I want to keep them. We'll go up and get it back.
Dude, are you serious?
I'm Rick Harrison, and this is my pawn shop.
Noah.
I work here with my old man and my son. Big house.
God, you are just a little devil. Look at your son. Look how red his fucking hand is from closing it up in that door. Look how red his hand is.
It's pretty cool that you have a personal connection to it.
Stanley's pretty old, man. It is. I'm at a pawn shop today to try to sell rifles from the Civil War that's been in my family for 5 generations. I'd like to get a better motorcycle. I think the gun's probably worth over $5,000, but I wouldn't take anything less than $3,000.